We got a quick update today. Zeta Global Holdings currently up 8% after hours right now on news that they are partnering up with OpenAI. Zeta Global partners with OpenAI to boost answer-driven marketing. This thing has been on fire for the past month, up over 13%. And if you saw the previous video, guys, definitely check this out. We posted this about 5 months ago. Zeta was currently selling at $16, only at a $3.8 billion valuation 5 months ago. And from that previous video, we are currently up over 32%. Yeah, today, let's just do a quick update on Zeta Global. Just a quick run through of the fundamentals and see how they're doing. So as you can see, the company is still doing really well year over year. We'll start with total revenue, posting $337 million. That is up 25% year over year. Zeta is currently sitting on 8 consecutive quarters of total revenue growth. 2 years of total revenue growth year over year. On the latest earnings per share, they posted -2 cents versus -9 cents. That is up 77% year over year. And same with total revenue. Earnings per share is also up 8 consecutive quarters year over year. Profit margins are sitting at 60%. Go down to the free cash flow per share and cash flow from operations. Currently sitting on 7 consecutive quarters of cash flow from operations growth. Double-digit cash flow from operations growth year over year. On the latest quarter, they posted 57.9. That is a quarterly all-time high on cash flow from operations. That is up 68% year over year. This is the best growth Zeta has seen on their cash flow from operations. And, of course, 21 cents versus 14 cents, up 50% on free cash flow per share. Last but not least, go down to net income, posting -3.6 million. So as you can see, guys, the trend to positive net income, Zeta is about to be posting positive bottom line. On the latest quarter, they posted -3.6 million versus -17.4. That is up 79% year over year. 7 consecutive quarters of net income growth. So just by looking at the short-term data, great improvements we're seeing on Zeta Global Holdings, and of course it is reflecting on the stock price. This past week alone is up over 19% just on news about OpenAI. Kind of crazy. All right, let's see what else. Zeta did issue a 100 million stock repurchase program. So if we go to financials, go to the cash flow. Let's see. Repurchase of common stock. So it looks like from December of 2024 till quarter 3 of 2025, they've been repurchasing around 29 million. So high 20s, low 30s per quarter. So that's pretty good. This was announced in November 13th, 2024, 100 million. So if we go to November, so if it's a 100 million share repurchase program, they've been buying 30 million per quarter. They have probably used it all up. The stock repurchase program is definitely part of the reason why the stock is moving. But other than that, remember the stock is still being shorted. 11% of the shares are sold short. 200 million shares float, with 17% of the shares owned by insiders. So that's a good sign. In 2025, we have 2 analysts re-rating it to a buy, $26 price target for the high, and there's currently no insider buying. We have institutional ownership sitting at all-time highs for Zeta. But other than that, quick look at the balance sheet. Total cash sitting at 385 million, and long-term debt at 196 million. So not too bad on the long-term debt. Barely any interest expenses, so they had a good deal with that long-term debt. Other than that, guys, if you follow earnings per share, they are about to be posting positive earnings per share. They're about to hit positive net income. And free cash flow per share has been improving year over year for the past 5 years. It is currently looking good for this company at a $5.3 billion valuation. Still a good time to be buying at these levels. But at these prices, still gives you a good margin of safety to be purchasing this stock. It hit a high of $35 back in November of 2024. So it's still down about 39% from those highs. But add this to your watch list, guys. Not financial advice. Again, if you haven't seen the previous video, guys, definitely check this out. It's in the description. But if you want to see how we value this company a couple months ago before it did the run-up, check this video out real quick. But other than that, thanks for watching this short little update. And we'll keep watching this stock. And I hope everyone has a good night. We'll see you on the next one.